This video is to ensure that you understand and can use the signs of trig functions in various quadrants of the unit circle. So first, using what you already know, decide which trig functions are positive in which quadrants. You might want to write this down as well. So there is a mnemonic that helps you remember this, which is all students take calculus, and you can watch the following video to give you a little rundown on that. So now, if you're in quadrant 3, what would the sign, S-I-G-N sign, of sine of t times cosine of t be? Well, we know sine of t in the third quadrant is negative. Cosine of t in the third quadrant is also negative. And remember, this notation means that you are taking sine and multiplying it by cosine. Therefore, since you're multiplying the two, and both of them are negative, sine of t times cosine of t must be positive in the third quadrant. Now, from the information that's given, let's find the quadrant in which the terminal point determined by t lies when tangent of t is greater than 0 and sine of t is less than 0. So remember, tangent is going to be positive when it's greater than 0, and sine is going to be, if it's less than 0, it'll be negative. Tangent is going to be positive in the first quadrant, and it's also going to be positive in the third quadrant. Sine is going to be negative when the y coordinate is negative, so in the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So that means our terminal point must lie in quadrant 3.